Okay, so it's time for some Ethereum news today to bring you up to the latest on all things going on in the Ethereum network. In this video, we're going to dive into the global market cap, where Ethereum is in dominance. We're going to take a look at the charts and see where Ethereum is heading this week. We're also going to take a look at A Week in Ethereum, which is a website you can subscribe to if you want to stay up to speed on the latest all around the Ethereum network. Then we're going to take a look at the flippening index, and we're also going to address something related to the overall market and the Patreon link. If you want to join our private community, we are one member away from 100. So the next member who joins will be the 100th member to join our Patreon team. And just got to say real quick, so grateful for everybody out there who watches this channel. Also very grateful for all of our private community members. And you will get a ton of value if you decide to come over and hang out with us. There's two different levels over there. Let me know if you have any questions. The $20 package and the $10 package. The $10 package will get you in the Discord. The $20 package will get you all that and a bunch of other things like portfolio help and guidance, buy and sell, trade alerts. We got a ton of things. Go check it out. Links down in the description. Okay. Overall global crypto market is 1.97 trillion, a 1.20% decrease over the past day. And we take a look at the dominance levels. Ethereum just hovering right below 20% dominance. And I like that. Bitcoin at 43.6. There are some reports out there. I read some things on social media from some TA experts talking about Ethereum and where it's heading. The days where Bitcoin was 60% dominant, we may never see that again. That's how fast and how quick Ethereum is growing, and there are a lot of other projects taking away some of Bitcoin's dominance as well. One being Cardano, another being Solana, right? These two have had some meteoric rises here in the past few weeks. Now with ETH, let's take a look at the charts here. These are day candlesticks. So right now we're trading at 31.63 and 40 cents. And if you scroll down here, you can click more technicals. We'll take a look at that real quick, and we can see it's still ready to buy right now at 3,100 and some change, a strong buy as it relates to the moving averages. So instead of the day chart, let's take a look at the 1 hour. And here we'll get a little bit better picture of what's going on. So here in the 1 hour, we're seeing a lot of volatility, but as you can tell here, we're forming some lower lows. There's a little bit of an interesting pattern right here, as you know, we met some support here. There's definitely some support here right at this level here. Let's see what that is. Yeah, just a little bit above 3,000. I know that line's not perfect, but we're just trying to catch where that support is. So when it gets down in here to about 3,100 or a little bit below, we're bouncing off that the last few times here. So we're going to continue to watch that. We're heading downwards right now. So here's the thing. If Ethereum gets down below 3,000, which is down in here, okay, so if we break these marks like we did momentarily right here, if we get into these high twos, this is where I'd look to be adding onto my position. Now, we do have some support showing again at 3,100 here, low 3,100s. We'll have to see if we bounce off that if we continue to go down. But overall, when we zoom out, I love what we're seeing here with the Ethereum chart, slowly climbing here. And I think we're going to be heading higher here throughout the month of August and the month of September. I've said, and I'll say it again, I think we're certainly getting to 3,500 here in August, perhaps even 3,800. And I think by September, we're going to be into the 4,000s and potentially setting new all-time highs. That's just kind of where I see it going. Of course, things can change very quickly. Ethereum, so this is their Twitter account. Of course, you can go to their website, ethereum.org. They've got 1.5 million followers now, which is pretty awesome. But recently, they tweeted out this latest Week in Ethereum news. So I checked it out, weekinatheriumnews.com. And it's weekinatherium.substack.com. I've actually hit the subscribe button, which is usually right here below my camera. I subscribe to these. You put your email in, and you will get every week kind of what's going on in the Ethereum ecosystem. And I really like this. Now, some of this is super technical, right? And this says here 17% of transactions are type 2 EIP 1559 and growing. That's great to see. Post-London post-London discussion for EIP 1559 implementers call an agenda. So we're scrolling down here. Here's an EIP 3712 multiple function token standard. You can read more about these. This is related to the NFT space. What I want to do is scroll down here because they've got a proposal for a trustless L2 to sidechain bridge using StarkX secured by Ethereum. So that is interesting. Another L2 sidechain. Of course, Polygon is an L2 solution too, and I think Ethereum could be working with multiple L2 sidechains. All right, so then we've also got some things down here that are pretty interesting. So this relates to Poly Network, the $600 million hack cross-chain contract called to change keepers in permissionless contract. They've got a tether freeze process going on right now. They had a Q&A with the hacker. Funds are being returned. 340 million returned so far in Ethereum. MetaMask EIP 1559 transaction support live on mobile and Firefox, rolling out on Chrome very soon. So that's pretty cool for the ecosystem here. And we've also got, let's see, there was something else interesting down here. Application layer. Here we go. NFT widget app for iOS displays NFTs as widget. That's something they're growing within the application space. And you could see all the various things you can come over here and check out. Really cool. Then they've got regulation, business, and tokens. So Coinbase, Ethereum trading volume flipped BTC in Q2. That's big. So this is really cool that you can stay up to date all on the latest goings on in the Ethereum ecosystem. Now, let me bounce over here to the flippening. This is blockchaincenter.net. This is the flippening theory, right? If and when Ethereum will flip Bitcoin. So let's do some updating here. Active addresses flippening. Ethereum, is 61% there. I just had some great food at a local Mexican place that's becoming my every week lunch spot. And I do eat lunch alone a lot. That's okay. You're not going to hurt my feelings. I actually enjoy it. But a little bit of a loner, but that's okay. I've got all of you right here on the channel, right? Transaction count flippening, we've already flipped Bitcoin in that metric. Transactions volume flippening already happened. Trading volume flippening, getting there, 82% there. Total transaction fees, look at this. And you can see the charts here. This is 100% flipped, not even close. Node count flipping 37%, and Google search, the two lowest areas in terms of Ethereum flipping Bitcoin. Google search interest here and node count flipping. However, look at back in May, Google search interest flipping index was 61%. So back in May, there were actually more people, at least on May 10th, there were more people searching up Ethereum for these short few days, while it's over 50% here, than Bitcoin. So we've seen it before. It can happen again. I think we're going to happen to see it in a bull cycle, in this current bull cycle that we're in. So always like to bring you up to speed on the latest here. And let's take a look at the crypto fear and greed index. Right now it's still a 72. Let's go ahead and refresh that. That's where we were yesterday. I think we're still going to be there today. Yes. Okay. And as we know, in extreme fear over here on the index, this is when you want to buy. When this gets too close to 100, get ready for a big pullback. And we're actually at 72, so seeing a little bit of a pullback right here makes sense, okay? So hopefully you got some value out of this video. If you did, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know how much Ethereum you're holding in your bag down below in the comments section. And oh yeah, don't forget about that Patreon link, private community, Discord access, all the details down below in the description. I'll pin it as the top comment too. Peace.